Banks manage high call volumes daily, but legacy systems make analytics hard to track, slow to retrieve, and difficult to review when needed. If you need those phone analytics, they only mean going back and forth with carriers, waiting for reports, and preparing through scattered data. And when you're handling thousands of calls every day, that delay makes it even harder to understand what's actually happening. With KrispCall, banks always have a choice. Even on their SIP desk phones, banks and financial institutions can instantly access virtual phone numbers. And it's advanced call analytics that updates in real time. KrispCall lets bank managers and board members access the analytics simply by logging in. The details of the call and SMS activities instantly update on the dashboard as they happen. The analytics dashboard can even be filtered to narrow down the data to a specific phone line, members involved, or widen the entire view up to the last 90 days. And the best part? Each activity can be viewed in a line graph over the timeline, bringing the clear insight of what's actually happening in your bank's phone lines. With KrispCall, instead of waiting on reports or chasing data, banks get instant visibility into every call, every number, and every team. Because in banking, visibility isn't optional, it's essential. Ready to get started? Visit KrispCall.com and book your free demo today.